Hello friends, today we are going to learn what is new in Angular version 12. Angular got released in May 12th, 2021. So they have released a few features that we have listed here. So first is the removed legacy view engine and moving to IV engine. Second is Nullish coalescing feature. Third is stylish improvements. Fourth is migrating legacy I89 message IDs. Fifth is strict mode. Sixth is support of I11 is deprecated. Seventh is the future of Protractor. Eighth is Angular learning improvements. So we will go in detail in each of this feature in the next slides. The first one is removed legacy view engine and moving to IV engine. The Angular has introduced the new IV engine and they are now going to implement it from the Angular 12 and the older legacy view engine will be deprecated in the Angular 12 release and will be removed from the Angular 13 release. So we all know with IV there is improvements in the application compilation because as only the changed components will be compiled. Old libraries which were created using legacy view engine in node modules will be updated by the IV runtime using Angular compatibility compiler NGCC. So the second feature is Nullish coalescing feature. So Nullish coalescing feature helps to check whether variable is null or undefined. So in Angular 12 we can use double quotation mark to check if the variable is null or undefined. The below example shows the before Angular 12 and after Angular 12 example. This is how we can improve the code with the help of double quotation mark to check for variable null or undefined. So the new feature that is stylish improvement. Angular 12 now supports inline Sass style sheet in the component section of the Angular component page. As you can see here in the component section, we have defined the styles and here we have defined the inline SCSS styles here, and to get inline SCSS work in the application we have to set the inline style language to SCSS in the angular.json file. Next feature is migrating legacy I89 message IDs. Angular 12 allows to use new available tools to migrate any old localization IDs to the new IDs, which uses the latest algorithm. We can use two methods. One method is localize extract script option to locate the legacy message IDs in the application, and another one option is the Angular CLI option to locate the legacy IDs in the application. So the next feature is strict mode. Strict mode is now default in the new Angular 12 application. Strict mode helps to detect the errors ahead of time. Also, strict mode helps to refactor code more precisely when we are upgrading to the higher version of Angular. The next feature is support of IE11 is deprecated. IE11 was restricting Angular from taking the advantage of the new features on the web platform. So, after taking the feedback from the Angular community users, they have deprecated the support for IE11. The next feature is future of Protractor. Protractor is the end-to-end testing framework that works with Angular. Currently, Angular team is deciding on the future of Protractor, whether to use it or not. The feedback shared by the community will be reviewed later to decide the future of the Protractor. Angular team will be deciding on how to provide reliable integration with other third-party solutions that will provide more support, such as cross-browser testing of the application. The next feature is Angular Learning Improvement. Angular team worked on improving the Angular learning experience. Angular team wrote content projection guide to create reusable components. You can refer the same content projection guide on this URL. So these are all the new features of the Angular 12. I hope that you have understood all the features of the Angular 12. If you have liked it, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.